know why your body lotion is not working? It's because you're using it the wrong way. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Guys, today's video is centered on body lotion application. If I could count the amount of times I've gotten comments and questions like, Judith, I'm not seeing results with my body lotion. My body lotion is actually not glowing my skin. My body lotion is making me dark. If I could count the amount of times I've gotten this kind of questions, I'd be a billionaire by now. But that aside, we are going to be talking about how to apply your body lotion correctly to get the best result out of it. So whether you're using a treatment body lotion, moisturizing lotion, lightening lotion, or whatever lotion you're using in your routine, I'll be giving you a step-by-step detailed video on how you can apply your body lotion to get the best results. Truth be told, the way you apply your body lotion or layer your other skincare products matters a lot, and that is why you will see most people, they are looking so much bright and glowy in some parts of their body, and some parts is looking darker than the other areas, and this is because you're not applying that body lotion correctly. So all of this is what we are going to be dicing and fixing in this video. So let's dive right into it. Now, before we dive right into today's video, guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe already, okay? You're going to love it here. And don't forget to also like this video if you really enjoy watching it. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. So click on the like button already. See, if you apply your body lotion wrongly, it can tamper with your skincare goals. Now, like I said in my previous video on how to pick the right body lotion or cream for your skin, guys, it's very, very important to know your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concerns for you to be able to choose the right body lotion for your skin. You cannot be using the wrong body lotion and you're expecting to get results. Like when a body lotion does not match your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concerns, is going to end up giving you discolorations or uneven skin tone. And this is something you don't really want to experience. Take for instance, you're a dark skin tone and you have probably an oily skin type, and maybe you're dealing with body acne or stretch marks, and you're using a body lotion that has 2% hydroquinone. The truth is, that particular body lotion is going to give you a high level of pigmentation. Like, that is where you see that your face can get lighter, but your feet and other places on your skin will find it very hard to lighten up. And this is because some places on your skin are tougher than the other parts. So that is why it's very, very important for you to know your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concerns before you pick a body lotion. I've given you guys a detailed video on that already. So that video is actually in conjunction with this particular one, because if you're not able to get the right body lotion, whatever you're doing in life, it can make or break this particular thing that we are. Guys, it's always very important for you to pick the right body lotion for your skin type, your skin tone, and your skin concerns. That way you can be able to achieve your skincare goals without doing too much and without damaging your skin any further. Now, once you have picked the right body lotion for your skin, the next question you'll be asking yourself is, how do I apply my body lotion, or how do I use this body lotion to get the best results out of it? Whether you like it or not, your body lotion application simply starts from the shower. Why did I say that? It's because you cannot be applying body lotion on a dirty body. So you definitely need to give your skin a good cleanse for you to be able to apply your body lotion. So you definitely need to ensure your body is properly cleansed before applying your body lotion. And guys, I recommend using this Dove Beauty Cream Bar Soap to wash your body while in the shower. Guys, you really need to have your skin properly cleansed before applying any body lotion on your skin. That way you'll be prepping your skin for your body lotion to be able to penetrate or absorb in very well. So using this Dove Beauty Bar Soap is going to help properly cleanse your skin and give you a radiant glowy effect. Like, all you basically need to do is to pour water on your skin immediately you hop into the shower. Then go ahead and lather this bar soap with your bathing sponge or your exfoliating scrub, whichever one you use. And immediately after that, rinse off your body. Now, once you're done, the next thing you want to do is to exfoliate your skin. Go in with your body scrub. And this should only be done on days you're exfoliating your skin, because you're not supposed to be exfoliating or scrubbing your skin every day. Like, you only need to scrub your skin once or twice weekly at most. Make it 3 times a week. This is where most of you usually get it all wrong, because I've seen someone that will just hop into the shower and the first thing they are doing is to use a body scrub on their skin, and they tell you that they are just exfoliating or getting rid of the dead skin cells. It doesn't work that way. Like, stop exfoliating your dry skin. You need to first of all wash your skin with your bar soap first before going in with your body scrub. So once you're done washing your skin, you take a little amount of your body scrub. You can either use your hand gloves or you can use your hand and take this body scrub and apply it all over your skin. You don't even need to exfoliate too much. This particular scrub contains AHA and BHAs, which are chemical exfoliants, and they are basically going to help slough off those dead skin cells on your skin and give you a brighter, radiant, glowy effect. Exfoliating is one important step you should never skip in your skincare routine if you really want to have a glowing skin. Now, once you're done rinsing off the scrub from your skin, you want to go in with your body wash, like this Dove Purely Pampering Body Wash. So if you're using a brightening soap or body wash, now is the time for you to incorporate that into your skincare routine. So you want to go ahead and apply your body wash all over your body to be able to give your skin that extra moisture and pamper. Like, body washes help you to add back extra moisture into your skin that your bar soap and scrub must have stripped your skin off, and your skin is going to feel super smooth. Now, immediately you're out of the shower, you want to go in with your moisturizing body lotion or any body lotion that you're using. That is a lightening body lotion or brightening body lotion. Now is the time for you to apply that particular body lotion. So when you're applying your body lotion, you want to ensure that your skin is still a bit wet or damp before you apply your body lotion. Don't apply your body lotion on a dry skin. Stop allowing the water on your body to dry out before you go ahead and apply your body lotion. The whole essence of using a body lotion is to prevent dryness and lock in moisture and hydration into your skin. So what hydration are you going to be locking in if your skin is already dried up? So in other words, your body lotion is there to prevent water loss. So always try to seal in that moisture when your skin is still damp. Now, another thing you need to take note of when you're applying your body lotion is to use the right amount. So applying less quantity of your body lotions most times is the reason why your skin is not evenly toned and glowing. Why would you be using a small amount of this lotion all over your body? It doesn't work that way. Use the right amount that is well suited for that place. It's even better for you to over moisturize than apply less body lotion on your skin. So take time and massage in your body lotion into your skin, and you're going to love the pamper. You're not rushing anywhere, and even if you're rushing somewhere, take your time and apply your body lotion, and your skin is going to look evenly toned and glowing. For those of you that are always battling with discolorations and uneven skin tone, you want to make sure you're paying a lot of attention on those thicker areas on your body, like your knees, your feet. Like, these are places you need to take extra time to moisturize. So don't just apply a pump. You can apply a Vaseline petroleum jelly on that particular area to ensure you're sealing those moisture into those areas. That way it's going to actually blend and even out like the other parts of your body. And ensure to scrub those areas when you're in the shower. Now, I need you to understand that your body lotions are meant to be used both in your morning and nighttime skincare routine if you really want to see results. I often get questions like, Judith, can I apply my body lotion on my face? Well, is actually called a body lotion for a reason. So if the body lotion you're using states clearly that it's a body lotion, you want to get a face cream instead and use on your face. Stop using body lotions on your face. It's actually not good. You might get away with doing it like once or twice, but doing it consistently might actually make your face not to look as smooth and beautiful and glowing as you want. So it's always better for you to use a face cream on your face other than a body lotion. You can get away with choosing products that states that it's just a lotion than when you apply a body lotion to your face. Now, once you're done applying your body lotion and you have sealed in that hydration and moisture into your skin, the next thing you want to do is to bring a body oil into this mix for that added glow. I usually see most people that say they apply body oils before they apply their body lotion, that it actually helps them stay moisturized. My dear, if you have ever applied your body oil before your body lotion, you can tell yourself the simple truth, and that is it was actually making you sweat. Your body oils lock in moisture. Like once you apply a body oil on your skin, any other product you are applying on top of your body oil is just sitting on your epidermis. It's not penetrating into your skin anymore because your body oil have already served as a seal on your skin. Your skin might be looking glowy to you, but there is no body lotion there. And once there is no hydration, your body oil is just as useless as anything. So to get the best result out of it, apply your body lotion first and then go in with your body oil for that added glow. Now, I actually want to call out people that usually mix their body lotion and their body oil on their palm. Guys, I used to be one of you and it was actually working for me. But you actually need to allow your body lotion get into your skin first before you layer or top up with your body oil to have that added glow. Sincerely speaking, how you apply your body care products matters a lot. So when you apply your body lotion first and go in with your body oil, you're doing it the right way. But when you're mixing these two products in conjunction with each other, it's actually going to serve the same function, but it's not going to give you that added glow like it would have when you applied this one first before applying the other one. So when massaging in your body lotion, take your time and do that. Your body lotion is supposed to be applied right from your neck to your feet, not the other way around. So this is simply how to layer or apply your body lotion correctly to get the best or maximum result out of it. Take your time and apply your body lotion. Don't let anybody rush you, because the more you are rushing to apply your body lotion is the way your body lotion is also going to rush you and not get applied on some certain areas, and those places is going to look starved. So that starved area of your body that is not getting enough moisture is going to actually look pigmented and uneven, while the places that are getting moisture will keep glowing and looking evenly toned. So try as much as possible to always take your time immediately you step out of the shower and apply or use your body lotion. So I hope you learned a thing or two from today's video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. And feel free to always drop your questions and thoughts in the comment section, and I'll definitely respond to that. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.